Are we ready to go now? Been waiting around all day for you guys.
Who's waiting for who?
Who's waiting for who? Well, yesterday was a cold day riding. It's so cold I didn't even record because I didn't feel like freezing my hand off.
Well, there you go. But
Today's a beautiful day, so it's about 59, is it?
Yeah, 59.
59, so compared to yesterday, it's a heat wave.
Yeah, and the wind is only 5.
Yeah, that makes a
That's a
difference.
big difference.
So it makes a big difference. Well, get going here. Let's see what we got here. 201 miles. Add 6,700 on there, and you'll get my total of 6,901. So I'm closing in on the 7,000 mark. And the trees are just beginning to bloom a little bit. Some of the trees that have flowers on them, they're blooming really nice and pretty. So let's get going here. Well, it was raining here this morning, so the driveway is going to be kind of messy. And I didn't get up enough speed to get up this hill. Ah, this is rough. But I can't downshift. Okay, made it up the hill. Trying not to go too fast so I don't get all muddy. And I didn't get enough speed to get up that hill. But yesterday I went up there for the first time since the tornado and found a whole bunch of trees down I had to move. I don't go up there very often in the winter time. So we'll get out our driveway. Hopefully the road will be dry. I think it will be. The sun dries that all up. You got full fenders on yours. You can ride through that stuff. And I got some little ones. These help, but if I go too fast, I get wet. So I had to slow down. Yeah, out with the girls today. I don't know if they're going to go the full length as I do, but we'll see. It depends how cold they get. It's hard to know how to dress this time of year. If you look at the weather and they say the wind ain't blowing at all, and you get out here and the wind's blowing, a lot harder than what they say. Beautiful day. A little cool out, but I feel little pockets of heat. Little air pockets of heat and cold alternating once in a while. Ah, wait, still smell that skunk here.
It certainly smells odd.
Must be dead somewhere. Whew. Dead skunk in the middle of the road. Stinking to high heaven. Something how old songs come back to your mind from years ago. That's an old song. Dead skunk in the middle of the road. Hard to believe that was a hit. Yeah, these bushes are starting to bloom. Yeah, here comes Abigail and the girls. Is your headlight not working no more? I don't know. Did you not turn it on?
Oh, I didn't turn it.
Hold the bottom and the up, I think. There you go.
Here, I'll get it.
I like this hill. Not as windy as it was the other day. Still is windy, but not like it was that day. 55-mile-an-hour winds. I'll leave a link for that above. That was kind of an exciting day, a little bit out of the ordinary. Yeah, it's unreal how you feel those pockets of heat. It'll be cool and all of a sudden you hit a little pocket that's nice and warm. Gotta wait to slow down for the girls here because there's dogs up here sometimes. Yeah, they built a greenhouse and go no further than that, it don't look like. The last time I was here. Happy girl back there for her bike ride. You might smell pine, that smells good. Well, hopefully soon we'll go on some more adventures. Warms up a little bit. I can't get Mama to go down to the lakes when the wind's blowing or anything because she's so cold all the time. I don't want to go, it's too cold. And the wind is pretty cold off the lakes. But once it warms up, we'll be doing some more up there. That'll be fun, especially when it gets really warm. Go over 40 miles an hour on those hills over there. That was fun. I ride quite a bit faster than they do. Of course, I have higher gear too, so that helps. You don't like that road?
No, I don't like this road.
Did you check your battery?
I only have 3 bars.
You got 3 bars?
Oh, I got.
So it should end up being probably 13 or 14 miles, I think. It's all said and done. You don't want to go down that rough road. It is pretty rough. Especially going the other way. You're going downhill and those grooves that grab your tires. Look at the tree in bloom. Bright, huh?
Mighty big truck.
Yeah, scare you?
Well, we met on the bridge, so I had her slow down so he could go across the bridge.
Oh, yeah, a little bit scary meeting big trucks. Especially on the bridge. It'd be nice out here if the sun would stay out. I think it's getting warmer out here as I ride. Feeling that heat a lot more often now. Yeah, I had to empty some of my videos because my phone ran out of. need to do that before I ride. Well, we're just about done here. 15.2 miles so far. Be down here in a second. Looking at the turtles here. Oh, it's a nice day. Mama's gonna want to go swimming.
No, it's too cool to go swimming.
I mean fishing.
I think the girls will enjoy fishing.
All right, 15.9. Still got 2 bars left. Hey, here comes Mama.
Hey!
I think it's warmer now than it was when we started. Papa Blue Shirt, thanks for watching, everyone. My beard's going crazy because of the wind, but it turned out to be a pretty nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you.
Hallelujah.
May He spread His blessings on your trail.
Hallelujah.
May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.